Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to make, well, I was inspired by Christiane here on YouTube. I will leave her link in the description box below, but she had showed how she had made some of the charms out of the erasers, and I was at Target Dollar Spot and I found these erasers, the bunny erasers, and I made charms out of them. And she showed how easy it was. So all you need is some eye screws and an eraser. And all I actually did was take the eye screw. I have one of these pokers for my vinyl. That's what I use it for. It's probably for my dies. But I just poke a little spot in the back to get started, and then I stick the eye pin in and then twist away so it is secured in the back of these bunnies, or that's where I'm putting it. And there you go. You've just turned it in to a charm, and it's there, it's stuck, it's not gonna come out. But yeah, so that's how easy it is. So just a quick share. Get some erasers, get some eye screws, and you can make a whole bunch of these cutie charms. They can go on dangles, tassels, all kinds of stuff for your projects. So yeah, I'm excited. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing. And if you have a crafty friend, sharing the video with them. For more videos like these, see here. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And until my next video, shakas.